Hi, this is Akshay speaking, and I am the host of this debate. If you want to participate in the debate, then just download the Hetic Debate app and register yourself for the live debate. So now, wait a minute. Yeah. So that the topic is death penalty should be abolished or not. So now I would request anyone to put your opinions on this topic. Anyone here?
Akshay, your voice is not coming so much
Hello.
or I'm receiving.
Yeah, my voice is audible.
Yeah, but it's low for me or everyone is hearing your voice so low.
My Is anyone here that my voice is not audible?
No, no, it's okay.
No, no, it's fine.
It's audible.
Then I think Saundarya that just put your volume up. Okay, so anyone here to share their opinions on this topic? We will start the debate now.
Yeah, sure. So basically, death penalty, like for the today's topic, the opening comments that I would like to give is there are many forms of punishment that could be given to one based on what kind of crime activities they have been associated with, and death penalty is one of the most like it's given for the one of the most heinous crimes one could have done, like killings, murder, terrorism, and all. And in such that cases, if for such heinous crimes where uh, it could have led to the lives of millions have been destroyed or someone has been affected, in that particular cases death penalty should be kept. And it should be kept with the restrictions, like for a certain section of crimes the death penalties should be given. So that's my opening comments.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, Abhishek.
Yeah. I also want to say like this because then there wouldn't be any subconscious fear in the mind because that is something that nobody wants to get, and so there wouldn't be any subconscious fear in the mind if we abolish it. So my point is also the same because some things like murdering someone, for that you can kept the when you can keep the threat death penalty, but for all like some things like there wouldn't be any fear in the mind whenever you whenever there would be a fight. So my point was also the same. So next.
Yeah, Saundarya, you want to say something?
Yeah, okay. You are audible. I am audible for everyone.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now the thing is that you both supported a death penalty, and it's a debate. I had to go for the second one. Like the debate penalty is not the death penalty should be not abolished. It should be abolished. I think it's more. The punishment can be more brutal than only death. Like in only death, you get hanged. Okay, for certain crimes. But we can do is this is just go not for because the death penalty actually helps them to fear of many people. Like they will say, okay, getting to jail. I'm going to hang. It will decrease, but not that decrease. I think no, the death penalty is not so effective in our India. Many guilty person who actually have done so heinous crime are now alive. So we can, we can, and even there's a for the death penalty. I don't think citizens and people are stopping from doing crime. They just don't say that there should be death penalty or not. There's nothing like that. Death penalty doesn't actually affect a person mind before doing any crime. I think it can be more ritual. I think we should impose more mutual punishment. Like we can hang a person in the like in Saudi Arabia or Russia. There is a happen that they are actually a cross between there's a yeah, there's an open execution happen where there's a guilty where their head is cut, their part is cutted into pieces. It can be more brutal. It can be more effective than a death penalty. I know it's a brutal thing, but yeah, we can do this thing. If we are doing this thing more, the death penalty doesn't need it. Okay. That you have to and like you uh, just give some pain when a person is alive, it will give a more person, and in a public area, it will actually decrease the mind of crime in criminal person. So what is this is my view
But
or your
getting hanged, if a person sees that another person, let it be the person X, is saying person Y has been hanged because he had murdered someone, it's definitely creating a fear of getting hanged in person's X's mind because he thinks
I
like,
don't yeah, I don't think but hanging and this now I'm talking about no current situation. Hanging or the death penalty actually affecting the person before the crime. It's actually happen and not decrease. It actually happen in increased area without fearing any death penalty.
but
I
if we
think.
consider the example you have given, the UAE's example, like
Yeah,
the chopping
yeah,
off the head in the crowd,
yeah. That,
it's
yeah.
also a kind of death penalty.
No,
It's
no.
also a
I
death
am talking
penalty.
about when the pain is given when a person is alive.
Actually, it would be against humanity. So if
Oh,
you,
okay. Death penalty is not against humanity.
yeah,
Anything is against
but after
humanity.
death penalty, it's a like death penalty is like
Good
it's a not
humanity.
that painful.
Yeah, actually, I could give a better example for this. There are two types of current we know, like AC current and DC current, right? Now it is considered DC current to be more, like AC current to
Effective
be
than
more
AC current.
dangerous. Do you know why? Because continuous pain, because it's give a shock in a continuous process. Like you
Yeah,
have been
that.
in a shock, then you have not been in a shock. That's continuous process of pain is more dangerous than a DC current. Similarly, if
Yeah.
you're
Yes,
treating a human with continuous tortures and all, it's not changing his mind, rather than it could made him more vengeance, like uh for that person
No,
I'm
no,
being
no.
tortured in a way, rather than that just
Yeah.
hang him, because the government's money is also being spent on one's food, shelter,
Yes.
clothing and their accessories if a person
Uh,
is kept in the cell or put it behind the
yes.
prison. In that way the
Yes.
government is actually spending a lot of money, the taxpayers money, or someone who has
Okay.
not done anything good for the nation or for the
Okay.
humanity.
Okay. No, the thing is no turning. Like you are, the both of your side is against humanity. It will actually give more money to investment. But the thing is, that just tell me one answer.
Yeah,
This penalty is legal in India.
yeah.
Till now, is crime decreased because of this penalty?
But we
Anybody,
can
no,
one
actually
second,
see the yeah.
if someone is doing crime, anybody think about a little 1 year that what can be happen to him
Can
after
you just
no.
tell me in the neighborhood how many murders you have seen in the past 3 days?
First 3 days I was not, but yeah, in
For
last
the
one
last
week
three
there's a
days, how
murder
many?
happened.
How
There's
many?
a one murder happened in my front of house. You can say.
How many? Just one, right? In how many year? In how many? What was the period gap?
Arga, if you taken will be the average, I can give you average of the thing that is crime is happening. There's a more
Like
than
if you
lakh
are
crime is
considering the
happening at a certain area. Every 4 seconds, there's a murder happening. There's a heinous crime is happening.
heinous crime, but we are talking about the death penalty, and death penalty is associated with certain particular crimes. If we consider a bank robbery or something
Yeah,
in this discussion, that
no,
won't
that,
be legit. Like we gotta consider like
yeah,
rape
I'm,
cases or
yeah,
serial killings or murders. And one more thing, for the first murder, one is imprisoned for 14 years, life imprisonment. That is 14 years. And for the second time, if he comes out of the jail and thinks of doing another murder because he enjoyed the first one, then he'll be hanged. Fine.
yeah,
So in that cases, the death punishment is given, death penalty is given. So it's
I'm
definitely
not,
have created an awareness in the people. Like if he didn't had any such consequences of being hanged after you kill someone, the murder rates would have been like touched the sky. It is quite legit. point if you think logically.
If you are, if I'm thinking logically, I think yeah, death penalty. I'm not against death penalty. I was saying that death penalty doesn't work for heinous crime. Every time so much is happening, I'm talking about the heinous crime and the crime that should be worthy of death penalty. I'm talking that
The
the
Nirbhaya
person
case,
should be killed.
the Nirbhaya case,
Uh,
the
yeah,
Nirbhaya
yeah,
case,
yeah,
the
yeah.
accused were hanged.
Yeah, yeah, but the thing is that they were, but I don't think after that it's decreases, it increases. I think after that case, we getting more cases like that of a small child.
Actually, that uh,
It's
uh,
not because of it's because of the government policy that they impose a death penalty, but death penalty even get in 15 to 16 years lag jate hai usse. So even so much, even the justice doesn't happen. So I don't think death penalty is just a name written on the constitution. It's not effective. So I don't think it's इसका होना है. That's the thing of death penalty. होना ना होना. That's the same thing. So we
So what
need
could
to
be the alternative for a death penalty that could create? And as you are saying that a lot of cases goes unseen, they could have been they could have been given death penalties. Yeah, that's a definitely a lagging behind of the law and order of this country. That's a different thing. But
yeah.
like the government is actually given some policies, but that's not implemented properly. That's due to
Uh,
the constitutional corruption and all.
yeah,
Fine, but
that's what
if we
I'm saying.
consider,
If something is not effective, na,
yeah,
let's abolish them, na.
it's not
If
effective
something is
because of
not
the corruption.
effective,
Because
it's
actually
see,
because
it's fine.
hello,
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
implementation hasn't been done properly.
exactly.
That has
And
been the
one
issue
more
with
thing,
India.
yeah.
who gives the death penalty? The judges of the court, right? But in India, we have like one judge for a 2 lakh person, the 2 lakh cases or something like that. Like if you tell me in an entire lifetime of a judge, they just can't uh, put a sign on the entire cases they have been assigned to, because the number of judges are so low in this country. So that's the one point behind a person getting death penalty after 15 or 16 years of the crime they have done from period. So that could be the one thing, but it's not effective. That can't be a legit point, because it's due to the lacking of judges or the
No,
proper
no,
implementation or all.
it's not because of the judges. More than it's about the station of the person. A status of person, financial condition of that person who has done the crime, who has a contact with them. That's because then he gets so. And the
No,
main
no, actually there are less judges in India,
it's not
and
about
more
less
cases.
judges. It's
So
about
let us
the
suppose
time they're
death
taking.
penalty is not working for them. If a
Yeah,
person who is a son of a millionaire, he has done a heinous crime,
yeah.
then what could be the alternative for a death penalty that
I
could be
have
given to
told,
him?
I have told this. He should be given a brutal pain in front of public.
But he's a
That's
Yeah,
son of a
that is
the
millionaire.
lynching.
But he's a son of a millionaire. If he's not been given a death penalty, he couldn't have been also given a punishment for torture or something, because he's a son of millionaire at the end of the day,
you know,
isn't it?
during the if you have read history, not yeah, I know you read history, but thing is that I have actually reading history, and there was a guilting process when the Louis XVI was king throne of has a throne is a king of the French. Yeah, 1757. There
Yeah.
is a thing is after that there's a guilting is happened where the person actually kept alive in the suffocation. No, no, yeah, Hitler takes Jews in the suffocation ball, like they had to just exhaustion, they do, and they are put in a small suffocation where they can't even breathe. It's a suffocation, it's a pain, it's an internal pain that come out. So that should be a good one. Like they will see a person like yes, they are अगर वो बाहर भी निकलता उस सब चीज़ों से तो I don't think they will do it. In a jail they get everything. If the status is good, he will get everything from 4 to 5 star hotel, everything, checkup, workup, stuff. But when we are put them in a store where there is a suffocation is happening, where there is a low temperature, like there needs to be suffocate them, and we will give pills on them like they can't sleep, they can't eat. So it will take him to a new level of pain. That is good for them. I know.
Yeah, that's good. But if I'm paying the officials who are supposed to give that particular judgment, if I'm paying that particular officials in millions, then I'll definitely get through. Like, they won't even touch me. No one will touch me. So if in any way, if I'm a son of a millionaire, no one can touch me with any sort of judgment. They can't even imprison me for a one day, and that's quite evident in India today. A lot of cases just go like that, go away like that. A lot of criminals just go away with just paying some bribes or certain money to the.
That's a stereotype that is fueled by the crime that they don't get anything when we do they when will they do this thing. So I think it needs to be we will give them. I think not you. It's like government should imply a spiritual thing that the suffocation there should be a that they didn't allow to sleep, that they will give us that they can't sleep, they will see. Yeah, that's the thing that we can give on meditation drugs when they will feel bad about their body, their body will be get defected. We can paralyze him like they actually we can give medicine and paralyze some part of body. So it will give them a good lesson that yeah, you have done and what you got. And it will seen by all because after this no one will see this person who has done crime. But by seeing this, every person who has a mind of doing crime will see this thing, and it will give a second chance to remember to think about
But
anything.
the fundamental right of that right to humanity and all, that would be imposed, and the on a
No, no.
humanitarian
If
ground.
the death penalty is not an inhuman, is not is a humanity. Death penalty is a humanity, so it should also be income in humanity. If the death penalty is not a humanity thing, it shouldn't be in a humanity. Just consider all thing in a humanity. Why you consider some more thing is not humanity, but some less thing is something like humanity? It doesn't work like that. If something is humanity, all thing on level is
So,
humanity.
according to your example, like the one of the UAE, torturing them on the roads, on the streets. So UAE have like exponentially have decreased their crime rates. The crime rates in UAE has been exponentially decreased due to the way of torture or on the middle of the streets they have choose. So does that happen?
Abhishek, you wanna say something?
Yeah. Actually, in foreign, people are afraid of the police because they torture. And although in India, but happens, but it is to some extent. But I think he's saying correctly that it is not that effectful because giving a pain brutally, it is not a solution. Death penalty is a good option rather than giving the pain.
Yeah, actually. Sandri, if got any other points?
Even I
Hello.
have so much point. If I just start speaking, and you will not stay. So I was just giving time for you. Yeah, you are saying
Okay.
that death penalty is a good no, is a good option, and this is not a good option. But you have seen the crime rate in UAE or Saudi Arabia. It is so much decreased. It is so much decreased. Why? Because of this hard punishment rule, and we need that. We really need that because
Then one more thing, one more point we got to consider the population rate, because the population we are have in India we are having, it's way more than UAE. So the rate of crimes compared to UAE, we should have it higher than them, because we
I
have
think it's
a
a
lot more of
skew.
people.
Yeah, it's a excuse that we have why we have so much crime than UAE. It's a simply excuse for Indian person, like why they have so much crime. Isn't it? Yes, it's because if you want to make something right now, You have to do in a different way. You can't be on a death penalty, like, yeah, death penalty, death penalty. You have to move again ahead of that. You have to sometimes move ahead because crime is happening, is actually going ahead, crossing the limit. Why the punishment is not crossing the limit? The death, the crime that is taken every time, every second, is crossing each and every limit pass. So why there should be only death penalty an option? Why doesn't have other option as a punishment?
Yeah, if you
It's
do
also
that,
cost. Yeah, yeah, Abhishek.
yeah, I think if you do that, there would be a lot of crime because uh,
Lot of crime.
because it is a question of law and order, and in India there is no such.
Abhishek, I'm actually have told sometimes that don't follow only that is written in constitution. Just see that what needs to be get amendment. We need amendment every time.
Yeah, actually, but it's cost effective in a
Time,
way, isn't it?
it, yes, time to
You gotta buy
move.
a stake to at least to torture someone. You gotta buy a stake, and that can you cost at
Can you
least.
please increase your voice? Why I'm not able to hear everyone in high was literally don't know.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you're audible, but just say
Yes.
just high your pitch.
Higher pitch.
Yeah,
Is it fine now?
yeah, okay.
Okay, so I was saying like death penalty is cost effective. Like if you gotta torture someone, you gotta buy certain stuffs. Like at least for betting, at least you gotta buy a stake, and that's really gonna cost you at least 20 rupees. But in the case of a death penalty, it's really cost
If
effective.
every person is paying tax, na,
Why
if
should I
every
pay
there should
my
be
money to
nothing
torture
in a
someone?
charity. If every person is, it's the problem of government. It's not so much high, okay. It's a problem of government that the money goes not in right thing. They goes in pocket of someone like a black money. That's what. That's not our problem.
So the
Just
law and order system should be strong. It
change.
doesn't.
Something need to be changed. Amendment चाहिए.
But
Changes is the rule of nature. So changes needed in
so
constitution also.
that's why I was saying that there should be strong laws.
And one more thing, it's more like if what about the victim's family? What about the
Victims
victim's
of
family?
family, they
They
are
could
the
no,
cause
sorry,
of
sorry, not the
blame.
accused family. The accused family. They know
But the
their family member has done something a heinous crime, and
yeah, yeah,
he is
I'm
being
telling the
tortured for day
accused
and day.
family
So,
should also be a part of that. Why I'm
like,
telling why? Because he has
let
telling
let
that
me
he
just
has given the upbringing that yeah, is totally go to the parents and the relative that what they have taught
it's
to
not
them.
always
Okay.
like that. It's
Yeah,
not
no, no,
always like that.
it's always they say that yeah, मेरा बेटा या फिर what my son also goes in like that. It doesn't like you doesn't have responsibility. It's the full fault of them. They just neglected it. Okay, I try now, I try now. But no, you try, but you have to prove something. But it doesn't mean the accuser are also part of first. Should be who has done accused. They also has the same level of I
It's
think
always not like that. The friends group, the social group with whom
yeah, that's what
the
I'm saying.
accused, it's associated with not always the family members being like
Yeah,
manipulating
friend.
Yeah,
the
no,
accused
no.
mentality.
Thing is that now, if you're talking about friends, you will. Thing is that when you have a good upbringing by your parents, you will have a good friends. That's not possible. That if you have bad, it means that you have seen someone bad in bad environment. That's why you go for that to friends
Yeah,
or
but your
circle.
experience of childhood can be wrong.
What?
Means your experience can be wrong in
It's not
childhood.
about experience. It's a logic.
Yeah, it
If
experience comes from the
someone
surrounding.
child is
Yeah, experience
uh,
comes from the surrounding. So
yeah, if someone's child is not in proper path, it's
so
because of not the friends, please. It's not because of the friends. It's because of the parents because they doesn't give the right direction how to make friends. Because parents doesn't give idea like yeah that you should be at
yeah,
that. They
brainwash can be
doesn't
done
give that.
easily.
Yeah, if you're
Hello.
yeah, social circle actually matter. But social circle भी कहाँ से आता है? With the help of parents. When जहाँ they when where they give environment to live the child, they will adapt this thing. So yeah, that's the thing. Go ahead, both of you. Sorry if I'm interrupted,
Like,
everyone.
sorry.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. So, like, what could have been an alternative for Ajmal Kasab? Should we have pointed an AK-47 in on his head each and every day and like frighten him, like, if you don't do this in 3 seconds we're gonna shoot you from with the bullet.
Oh, please,
And then
please
after half
increase
an
the
hour,
voice.
after half an hour we could have given him the breakfast that have been bought on the by the taxpayers money. And later on, before the lunch, another session of the AK-47 would have been done with him, and then again some lunch would have been provided to him. On weekends, movies would have been shown to him, just to change his mentality.
What did you just speak from first? I haven't
uh,
got what are you saying.
Sorry, I was saying that in case of Ajmal Kasab, the
Ajmal
terrorist,
Kasam, who is that?
Ajmal Kasab, you don't remember the Taj terrorist?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Ha,
No,
he
I
was
remember,
hanged.
but yeah, the Taj terraces. Yeah, that's
He
what I
was
know.
hanged. So in terms of like torture, instead of hanging him, what could we have done? Like at the morning, just put a AK-47 on his head and like frighten him for the 3 seconds. Like we're gonna shot in you three
Yeah.
in two and one. And then after frightening him, torturing him, then would provide him with some snacks, breakfast, lunch, bought on the taxpayers' money. And again in the evening would have been gone through a session of torture, then
Yeah,
dinner,
if
then a weekends or a movie, something entertainment, sort of entertainment in
yeah
order to
if
change his mindset. So
Yeah,
could
Abhishek,
have
you are
been.
saying something,
yeah
right?
if we had given him pain like this, she said, brutally pain. So I think there would be more destroying mentality of the Islam.
Islam? Oh, I don't think I am talking
Yeah,
about any
it's from
religion.
yeah, it's from Islam.
And
So he was the leader
no,
of that.
it's not ISIS. It's, it's not
Yeah, he's something
any
related to.
religion. It's not any
Yeah,
religion. Please don't forget any religion.
he
It's
was
not.
related to Islam, I think.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. Yeah, that
Yeah,
doesn't matter.
that is the no, no, I mean to say that if he had got some brutality in jail, so their members of the terrorist must have thought about the revenge brutally as well.
That could have been the consequences.
Yeah, but they have also
Could have
accepted.
been.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
you're
they.
talking about that terrorist now. That is who is that? First of all, the thing is that terrorists are brainwashed. There is no way of like we are giving him knowledge that okay, yeah, that is happening. You are totally brainwashed. Nothing like you will go to any heaven or Jannat when you will do this thing. They are totally brainwashed. First of all, second thing, if they will be given death penalty or anything, there will be a more person will come like them. So yeah, this is
No,
because
you
of
were you were talking about the giving brutal pain.
yeah, yeah,
I've
that's what.
just got one question. I just got
Yeah,
one question. For how
you
long you
haven't
are
seen a
gonna?
previous one and you got one question.
Sorry, just a question.
Okay,
Just
just say.
uh, for how long you are gonna torture an accused? For how long? And what could be the end? At the end,
Uh,
what you gonna do with him? You are gonna
can
torture him for his entire lifetime, or you are gonna torture him to death?
can you please speak so loud and clear? Why
Wait,
my headphone is not
He's
working
speaking
properly?
flat.
am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah, you audible. I have to
So
put
I
my
was
headphone.
asking, like, for how long are you gonna torture an accused? Are you gonna torture him till the entire through his entire lifetime, or are you gonna torture him to death? For how
Okay,
long are
now
you gonna torture him?
I'm just a punishment giver. I'm going to give punishment. Okay.
For how
Yes.
long?
Okay.
There
How
should be
will
a thing.
depend of okay, no, I'm literally I will give him a torture till him death. I
Then
will not
if the
only
end result is
torture.
always death, why not just put him in, but just put
Okay,
him in a cell and hang him?
I don't like easy deaths. I don't like easy deaths. Someone I
Then
don't like.
don't
If you're
hang
talking
him.
about
Just shock
me,
him.
no, no. If you're talking, you are actually asking me about my perspective.
Yeah, I'm actually
I'm not
asking
saying
about your
if something is
perspective.
right or wrong. I'm not saying that this is right or wrong. But for me, what I'm going to do, I'm torture brutally them till the death. I will. It's my perspective.
Then just torture him for a day and just put him
Why?
just.
It's my perspective. You are
Listen,
giving us just
if
like
you
torture
torture
for a day. If you're
if you
asking to
torture
me,
a
you can't
terrorist
answer that.
like
Okay, yeah. If you're asking to me that what will you do, you can't answer that. You will give. I'm giving as a spirit, so I will basically told. I'm not going to give him easy that I don't like easy test. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
so if there is a terrorist, what would you do if
If
you
there
had
is a terrorist,
yeah
well, I will firstly start running. No, I will not. It's a joke. First of all, someone is terrorist. First of all, I literally don't know what should I do. If I should show some
you
mercy,
gonna treat
because
him
he was so brainwashed. Because terrorists are so brainwashed from
yeah
their
my
childhood
point is yeah
my their
I'm
childhood
saying
is
that
like a
you should
nightmare.
give him death penalty rather than giving him brutally pain
I will go give
because
him sleeping.
that that's why because
Yeah,
if
that they have done wrong for our country, for then I know I am going to give them so much suffocation like that. Yeah, you should understand. It's like a give and take, tit for tat. It should be tit for tat. But now
okay
for talking like how should terrorists should not be there. Like
then their organization wouldn't gonna sit
yeah, ऐसे भी तो कौन से बैठे हैं? I mean,
no no
then
then
how they are sitting like
because
that?
they have sleeper cells all around
Yeah,
the
yeah. If we are going to give them death penalty, they are going to come. If they are going to give them brutal pain, but brutal pain is more beneficial
you
because
know terrorist
it will
organization
give us some sense of danger as in terrorist mind. It will give some sort of danger because they think that they first of all listen me. They think that if they are going for if they have a death penalty because of they have done terrorist things, they are gonna feel proud that okay, I have done this thing. I am terrorist. I'm going to die, and they will think that okay, I'm feeling proud. I'm going to Jannat. They will think that
I would
okay.
like to give you an example. We have all, I like. I think we are all familiar with the Netflix series Narcos. There was a guy
No,
El Chapo. If you're not there was a guy El Chapo. He was a drug lord for in Colombia around the year 1980s, 1990s, with Pablo Escobar. So his name was Joaquin something. He was a drug lord, and he was accused of murdering, killing thousands and hundreds of people. And he was imprisoned and he was tortured. And for many times, he had escaped his jail and went out and started his drug racket again. So, what would you do with the accused whom you were torturing for the last 5 months, and he by any chance escapes and then tries to take vengeance from you? What would you do with him if he escapes by any chance after torturing him for 5 months? What would be your action or plan of action?
okay, yeah. Okay, I had to think. Like what you have done, like what you have actually. I want to proceed. Like okay, okay, yeah, no, okay. If I get a scab after 5 years of torturing, I'm going to grab him and give double ritual things. Huh?
Before you caught him, if he caught you, what would
He
you do?
got you got him. मतलब?
Before you getting to him, he gets to you.
I am police, na.
But still, at the midnight at 12, you're not
But
even dressed.
it's a policeman who grabbed the thief, not thief grabbed the police.
Like in search of vengeance, if he caught you first.
So yeah, it's good that he got me. I will what?
In search of vengeance, you have tortured him for 5 years, and
Okay.
now he has a mindset of taking revenge from you. And at the
yeah
Okay.
he
midnight
can
of
take
12
revenge
a.m.
from
or something, he gets you first.
I will feel proud that I have given 5 years of torture to them. And if I am going to death and he is going to murder me or something, I will going to. It's a. It can. It's a, just a. It's just the event that has happened. That's it. He has taken. That's it. It doesn't mean I will not give. If it doesn't mean I have chosen wrong way of punishment. I chosen right way of punishment that I given 5 year of yeah
But
five
what
year
if
of
he
brutally. I
escapes?
will feel proud that it doesn't actually. If I am get murder, uh, if I get any harm because of him, it doesn't affect the decision that I have. It doesn't wrong the decision that I have given brutal torture to for 5 years of person.
But it can have
It's a
consequences, right?
different thing, but it's
There
a
is a
different thing.
chances of him getting escaped, starting his career in the criminal world again. There are chances.
Yeah,
But if you
okay.
put him in the hanging rope and kill him
Okay.
instantly,
So
just
it will only kill the person, not the thinking. Not the thinking. Okay.
who
It will
wants
kill the
thinking? Because,
person who has done crime. It doesn't kill the crime thinking. The
but I'm not
thinking will be
interested in the
remain
gray
same.
cells or the gray matter of the criminal. I'm interested in the community's thinking. Like if one is hanged for a particular reason, they may be like they may be influenced by the thing. Like if I do the same thing, I'll be hanged also. And if
Yeah.
you say if a person gets alerted, like before doing any crime, he just wipes out all the evidences or clues that could get him caught. Normally, a criminal does so. So that couldn't be a legit point for this. But if before doing any crime, at least a single thought would came in your mind because that I'm doing this thing, it could cause me a hanging punishment, a punishment of being hanged.
Okay.
Could cause me.
So just if you, I am giving the two options. You will choose death penalty or brutally torture. Which will you choose? So which will you choose?
I
Death
would,
penalty.
yeah,
Death penalty. Okay. It means the death penalty are easier than the brutally torture. Like
Yes,
that's what
very.
yes,
Minobi said.
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. What will you choose?
In the
Uh,
favor of humanity as
Yeah.
well.
Uh, let's give a bullet to humanity. Arga,
let's
so
put a
what
bullet.
will you choose? Uh,
I would choose instead of wasting government's money on
okay, you
torturing
are
stuffs and
actually
all,
not thinking about the government money.
because
You are
it's a
any
tax-based
employer
money.
friend?
I'm sorry, I'm not a lawyer. I'm an
Any?
engineer.
Okay.
I'm an engineer. I think
Okay.
cost. I think in a cost-effective way.
It's just an
Uh,
excuse of the government money. You are actually going for death penalty because brutally torture is more harmful than is not more harmful than death penalty. You have to accept it. Even Abhishek has accepted, you have to accept it. It is a
brutally.
thing that is
Have you
yeah.
seen a yeah? Have you seen a machine which New Zealand has made?
What are
Which
you
gives you
talking? Why you are
yeah,
talking
no, no.
GK?
It's related to which gives you death without without any pain.
No, I think pain should be a part of death penalty because the crime he has done, he should know what pain feels like. And hanging, the
Yeah.
moment one's spinal cord is being broken, and that's the ultimate pain one could get.
Oh, please, spinal cord, the spinal broke happen even at the old age, so it doesn't. I don't think
Not
affect.
just spinal.
It's
What's this
not a too
particular?
much pain. The pain
It
that is received by one who actually faced a person who has was a victim. Just ask them that how what should be given the death, what
that
should
could
be
be
the
a thing. That
punishment
could
that
be a
is given
thing. That could be a
because
thing. But in
he
that
knows
case, the
he or
IPC,
she
the
knows
Intel
that.
Penal Code would go in like would
He,
be not in use anymore. The IPC, Indian
either
Penal Code.
he or she know that what he has taken my like he had to the crime the criminal had to feel that what he has done to someone. It's a mindset it should be proven.
If the victims comes out with something, some innovative
Yeah,
ideas each and
yeah,
every time, the constitution
yeah,
had to
yeah, yeah.
had to set up a innovative lab for that.
No innovative
Like
as you are not talking about. You have to give some lab experiment for that. Just if you wanna have
one
a
good thing, one
jail
thing could be done
punishment,
is
like if you wanna go, he has a jail punishment, lifetime jail punishment, death penalty, brutally torture, or you can say he should be not given any food, he should be tortured, he should be given drugs, medicine, he should it can be many things, yeah.
that
It's
can be done. Actually, that's
why you are thinking so much thing about government money. You're paying the
um,
tax, not to just
Yeah, it. It wouldn't be free because lot of money would be, hello,
Yeah, you're audible.
yeah, lot of money would be spent if you do this type of work.
That's one point, and yeah, I would agree to some extent with Soundarya that death penalty, instead of direct death penalty, we can do like for a certain period of time we could torture him, make him understand what he have done, and should like advertise it to the public, show it to the public, like this. These are the things we're doing with him because he
Exactly.
have
So
does.
if this thing, the mutual torture, is happen only one two times now, it will decrease mass of the crimes.
Yeah, that would actually because
This
one.
doesn't mean regularly. Okay, it
Yeah, definitely
actually
not.
will be required only for even you can say 5 years require one brutally tortured, and I think that it's gonna be a balance of crimes that is happening in
Yeah,
India.
actually, not on a regular pace because if stealing for a 5 rupee coin, if one is tortured, that would be won't be a good thing. But yeah, for certain cases, giving torture or torturing some the accused for a certain period of time, and then hanging him or giving him a death penalty, that would really create an example. Like if you do these crimes, you would go through this process, and you're welcome to do the crime. Then the person would think twice or before doing anything heinous. So that could be a thing, and that's my conclusion. If you all agree, we can go to the conclusion if it's time.
Yeah, that's really what should be like. There's nothing to discuss about death penalty. It's just a
Yeah,
point. It's just a discussion, not a debate. Yeah. Okay. If you are here, you can go to the conclusion and in the debate. Actually, if you are
yeah,
okay, so
Yeah,
you
I'm
can
audible.
end the. Yeah, of
yeah.
course.
You're audible.
Yeah. So I actually I was not hearing the debate. So what was the conclusion that is
Con-
death penalty justified or not?
conclusion is that
Justified.
with the death penalty, we should also imply brutally torture or a suffocation thing also,
I think
so that it can.
that type of torture is already,
What Abhishek? What are you telling?
yeah, that type of torture you were talking about is
Yeah,
already
yeah.
there.
So yeah, there should be a different method of even torturing, and plus death
Yeah. So,
penalty should
but
be given to a person who has done heinous crime, so that it can has a it can has a lesson for everyone who has done this crime. So death penalty, but it also needs some enforcement, another punishment plus like
don't
torture or
be so brutal.
what
I'm
would be
pretty
so.
sure
You are
Akshay is
telling to
shocked.
give example.
Nah, I'm pretty sure Akshay is shocked because the topic was death penalty is should be legit or not, and we have been into conclusion that with death penalty, torture should be another process added to
Yeah,
death penalty.
yeah.
So yeah, that could be a
Like
conclusion.
this.
Like with death
Yeah.
penalty, a certain period of torture should also be given to the accused.
Plus,
That
after you can give death penalty, that it will be given a good lesson to everyone who has given death, and it will be more effective than only death penalty. Yeah, that's
yeah,
what.
yeah.
Yeah. So the final conclusion the final conclusion what will be that death penalty. In short, what will be it? It is justified or not? In short,
It is
I'm asking in short.
justified
It is
only
justified
when
with
there is a
some.
more addition of thing is happening. More torture, death penalty plus torture or something more punishment should be given to a person before death. That is a conclusion. Is a legit, but with her special informants of other things.
But I heard seen in graphs like about 33%. Just I'm saying the Google information, but I'm just saying that around 33% people said that it is not justified.
Yeah, it is not just you. That's why I'm telling that it should be with someone more like more. We should go more ahead with like we should give him suffocation. We should give him a torture. We should give him a drug that is actually destroying the body. Yeah, that was my point. But the thing is that Arga and Abhishek said that death penalty is given because yeah, you can justify why death penalty is given.
Yeah, okay. I will just give the final conclusion that sometimes I can say that sometimes death penalty is justified and sometimes it's not. I can say also this.
Yeah, if death penalty sometimes doesn't meet the person that
It's
the
depend
crime
on
that
the
has done.
situation.
Yeah, the sometimes death penalty also become a small thing if victim that has feel or has seen or faced.
Yeah. So yeah, I will just final conclusion will be that sometimes death penalty is justified in some situation. I think.
So for some for crime like you can say some for murdering a small
Yeah,
like murdering a woman.
in
Yeah,
nation security, you can use torture.
Yeah, yeah, I agree with Abhishek. In nation security, you can use like torture.
national security. Yeah, yeah, good idea.
Yeah, we can go for
Yeah,
that.
I
But
agreed with
as
Abhishek.
Yeah, what?
yeah, please, Akshay, go ahead.
Yeah, what did he say?
Like I was saying that death penalty should be like legit for certain cases and should not be legit for certain cases. That for should not be for certain cases. That's very rare in India because we see death penalty is given for very pretty not at a very pretty low rates, right? And it's given for certain really heinous crimes, and for a pretty long judgment after pretty long judges benches sittings hearings and lot of things death penalties are given. So it's quite rare someone who is accused but he's not actually have done the crime being hanged. That happens quite rare. So instead of that, we can just like the Saundarya mentioned, torture in certain cases and then hang him. That could be the conclusion. That could be the thing.
Yeah, yeah, I agree with it, and I will just make this conclusion that the arga that you said, it will be my conclusion, and I will just upload this in YouTube. The final conclusion.